Okay. Okay, so right here, just pre-market, looking at the. Here is pre-market 7点钟. Okay, so far we got a lot of sell sites getting raided. Okay, so but looking at the daily chart, we have this daily low. Okay, so this is a day low. Okay, because you can see Friday we really, okay, this is the Friday candle. You can see we close below the BC right here. Okay, so then Monday candle we reach all the way up to that high of the daily BC, but went below it. Okay, so now looking at a 1 hour chart. Yes, we are really close to this relatively equal low, but I'm seeing, can it be held by price? And I'm just trading based on pre-market volatility. Okay, so now right here you can see sell sites has been constantly raided, and one more fresh sell sites raided again. Currently I'm seeing for higher price, just a return into a premium will do. Okay, so right here sell sites raided. I'm seeing, can we keep this low stay intact? Okay, then ideal entry will be price getting above here and validate as a order block. OB. Okay, then I'll see for price to continue higher. Okay, you can see how ES is a stronger market and we are validating it as a order block. Okay, so okay, so here is a 2 handle stop loss, so I'm going in with 2. Okay, I'm buying. Yep, so I bought. But the order is not. Is my order rejected? Okay, but yeah, mine, so let's go with one contract. So very modest risk here. 7 ticks only. Aiming for 9 ticks. Wow. A 2 handle trade. But price is price, okay. a buy here and aiming for here is like 30 handles compared to ES. Okay, now I got a different outlook. Okay, this high right here is the 7 AM high, and I'm seeing for right here to be raided, but 1 minute chart still don't look nice for price to start moving lower yet. But since we are posing lower price, then I'll just see for price to reach here, that BC. Yep, showing no signs of rejecting yet. Another sell side rated now. we have no news today, so I'm seeing for pre-market trade. Okay, so now this is a 5-minute relatively equal low, very convincing. So now I'm just waiting. And after price activates my limit order, I want to see price hover around here and leave this as a breakaway gap. Okay, means I don't want to see it fully filled ideally, because we have taken a lot of sell sides. And here to me is the last balance price range to hold price. Okay, I'm repeating myself. What I want to see is price consolidate and being held by this BC. Else I'm just wrong, and losing is part of the business. Okay, so I'm gonna give some time here. Again, ES is the stronger market. I'm allowing price to consolidate here. Okay, it doesn't have to shoot up like that straight away. No, it doesn't have to. Okay, I'll give price, let it do the accumulation, and then get above this sell side right here, and then start moving higher. This is a trade I will use live funds. Is 32 ticks, and putting on, if I put on 2 contracts, is around 60 ticks, which is a very good risk. Okay, this 12 AM OP is a Thursday. Yeah, I think it's last Thursday's 12 AM opening price of the daily candle. Okay, ES also expanding higher. We are really cheap already, and it's 7:40 AM. It's close. 7:30 AM has passed, and we have been doing this one shot lower movement. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for higher price. And if I just draw out like this, take profit will be right here, equilibrium point. But I'm really seeing for some sort of buy sides to be raided. Okay, so now I'm seeing where will people trail their stop loss if they went short-term highs. Okay, so yeah, here is fair enough. Okay, so now I like to see what price is doing here. Is being held by this BC. This is high resistance liquidity run. But expecting it to turn low resistance during the 7:50 AM macro. Okay, so this I'm trading 7:50 AM macro. I'm expecting it to pan out during 7:50 AM macro. Okay. So this sell side right here, okay, so you can see price supporter of this BC went long to the equilibrium point, and I take profit offering 27 handles. Very good trade. Okay, so here's a review on the trade I took. Okay, so 7:30 is basically a 7:50 AM macro trade. Okay, okay, so basically So right here I went long 2 3 5 7 around here. Okay, my stop loss was based on this PC right under here like that. Okay, so it was a very modest trade, and you can see here we had a market structure shift. Okay, so this is kind of pattern that I like to see. You can see how price start consolidating here, and I basically went long based on this sell side is getting red and time 7:30 a.m. okay, and then we consolidated right here. Okay, so then what we did, we had a market structure shift here. Okay, so this is the market structure shift, so that can be this is a fair value gap. Okay, this could be another trade that I take, maybe a pyramid in like first contract, but you know, generally I'll just take like 2 contracts in straight away. Okay, so this, the risk is also around so right here we have a 16 handle stop loss, and definitely I'll take profit at right here. Okay, that's the equilibrium point, and you have offered 12 handles. Okay, this is a 750 am macro. Okay, so you can see around 750 am we went lower, and then what we did, we went lower, we did a short-term break. Okay, right when price did this expansion, right, that is a bullish market structure shift to me already. Okay, then very normal thing is during the macro time, can see this short-term low is raided, but then this PC kept the price, and then we send price higher. Bodies tell the story. Okay, see, the bodies did not even fit into this BC, and then offering 12 handles. Okay, very good trade. Now let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, so this is basically the dealing range I'm drawing. Okay, it's based on this high and this low. Equilibrium point is also a 5-minute BC. Okay, you can see right here, I've zoomed it in, 5-minute CB, sorry. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this was a good trade, trading based on liquidity itself. Okay, nothing more, nothing less.